Have you heard of DirectFlush? This will be familiar. A standard WC with a concealed flushing rim. These WCs are difficult to clean because the toilet brush cannot reach the area behind the rim. Dirt and deposits are hard to remove. Rimless WCs are of course easier to clean. However, a strip of about 8 centimeters around the top rim remains unflushed because otherwise the water might splash over the top. Don't despair, DirectFlush is here. The new generation of rimless WCs from Villeroy and Boch. DirectFlush guarantees a powerful flush and cleaning of the entire toilet bowl. Perfect cleanliness right up to the rim. The secret, a small ledge at the upper edge. It ensures that the powerful flush can clean the entire bowl without oversplashing and only using 3 or 4.5 litres. DirectFlush is hygienically clean, and we have proof. One of the leading European hygiene institutes has shown in tests that, thanks to the optimized design and in combination with anti-bac, the rimless Villeroy and Boch DirectFlush WC is practically germ-free after cleaning. DirectFlush is our hygiene star, and in combination with Ceramic Plus, anti-bac, and quick release, guarantees perfect hygiene. DirectFlush, the new generation of rimless WCs. Maximum flushing performance thanks to the intelligent water flow right up to the rim. No splashes. Simple care and immaculate cleaning and care. Very economical with water thanks to the 3 or 4.5 litres flush. So DirectFlush saves time and money. DirectFlush, already available for many Villeroy and Boch WCs.